Today we got some spark plugs on this 1.8 liter Toyota Corolla, I think. Pretty simple. So for these plugs here, for these coil plugs, what I like to do is I like to use this little flathead, because most of the time you try to do that, ain't nothing happening. So I try to get this flathead in here, just kind of barely wedge up like that. There we go. But don't go too hard because you could break the latch. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's all 4 plugs out. Now we're gonna grab our 10mm. Oh, nice. Slide out our coils very carefully. Now I always just put them in order on these little 4 cylinders up top. Get this little boot put back on the old coil there. Got our fitting socket. Break these loose. I always break them loose and tighten them with my actual ratchet. And then I kind of zip them out with my electric ratchet. There's one. There's 2. Mr. 3. And 4. Okay. Going in backwards, here we go, get it started. Okay, then I just zip him down until, and I go very slow with the trigger control. Just until it touches. Now just give it a little torquey here with the actual ratchet, the big boy ratchet. Feel the crush washer crushing, and then just like that. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. Nothing too fancy. Okay, here we go, back in with the coils. Just gonna plug them in as I go. This one is in wonky. Okay, now let's get these bolts started here. Always get them started before zipping them. A 10mm wrench here. That's it. There we go. All tight. All tight. There you go. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. One of the easy, on 4-cylinder engines, one of the easiest service items you can do. Okay. Hope this helped. Adios.